Hello everyone, this is Vrishali and welcome back to my YouTube channel CSN IT Tutorials by Vrishali. In our previous sessions, we had discussed NoSQL database in detail with examples. I have mentioned a complete database management system subject playlist link in below description box. Now, in today's session, we will discuss what exactly difference between SQL and NoSQL. Let's see. So first, please subscribe my channel so you will get the notification regarding my new updated videos, and also share this playlist with your friends. So that will be beneficial for everyone. Now let's see the difference. Here, SQL is a relational database because they store all the data in tabular format, in row and column format. On the opposite of that, NoSQL is a non-relational database. They store all the data in different flexible formats like in documents, key value pairs, columns or graph. That's why SQL has a fixed schema, fixed structure, but NoSQL has dynamic and flexible structure. SQL is a best for structured data and also transaction. This supports ACID properties. But NoSQL database is best for unstructured data, large scale data, and also real time changing data. SQL is a good for vertical scale up. Means you can add more CPU processing power, more memory on system. But NoSQL is a horizontal scalability. Means you can add more than one server for performing different operations on the system. That's why SQL support that is structured query language, but NoSQL supports varies like MongoDB use JSON, binary JSON, XML format queries. See here, PostgreSQL, MariaDB, then SQL Server, MySQL, Oracle. These are all called as SQL database. But Redis, MongoDB, Cassandra, CouchDB, Firebase, these are all called as NoSQL database that use as per the requirement of particular project. Now see here in this diagrammatical format, in SQL, all the data stored in tabular relational format. But NoSQL has different formats like key value pair. By using key, you can easily extract the data, column-wise data storing, graph, there are different nodes and relationship between this, and also document-wise format. Now, one of the most important question, when to use SQL database and when to use NoSQL database. Let's understand. Suppose in banking system purpose SQL database like MySQL, PostgreSQL is the best one because they stored all the data like customer accounts, their account balance, transactions in structure format. This supports ACID properties, but NoSQL didn't support ACID properties. Now in e-commerce platform, both PostgreSQL, MongoDB both are used. PostgreSQL stored all the structured data like user details, payment details, their orders. But MongoDB supports flexible data like user review, user sessions, or different stock changing details. Next one is for social media application. For this purpose, NoSQL database is the best one because SQL didn't support the dynamic data. NoSQL supports like changing post, comments, likes, and also online live streaming sessions are there. Real-time data is there. So for that purpose, Cassandra, MongoDB, Redis, this kind of database have used. Next one is a content management system like website, article, blog. So for that purpose, both SQL and NoSQL database is used. Here MySQL supports to manage different articles, their author details, categorize details in structure format. But MongoDB used to store all the data or continuously changing data like tags, media related data, article contents. So they supports real time and changing data. Now for chatting application purpose, NoSQL database is the best one because they handle all the real-time processing data and continuously messaging time-related data. Here SQL supports only structured data. Next, inventory management system purpose, both SQL and NoSQL database have used. Inventory management system purpose, SQL Server supports the structured data like inventory details, their suppliers, their stock tracking, everything have stored in proper tabular structure. But MongoDB supports all the continuously changing data, updated stocks in particular database. Next, Internet of Things purpose, obviously NoSQL database is used because they use Cassandra, Influx database to design all the write, scalability and time series related data. Next, for online learning platform purpose, both SQL and NoSQL database have used. Here, PostgreSQL stored all the course related data, payments, progress in structurized format. But MongoDB supports all the student comments, then online quizzes are there. So this updating dynamic data supports NoSQL database have used. Then for different online gaming purpose, SQL, NoSQL both are used. SQL specifically used for authentication and payment purpose. They stored this data in structured format. But NoSQL supports all the players details. Continuously changing players are there. Continuously changing online gaming sessions are there. So for this purpose, NoSQL database like DynamoDB used. So this is all about SQL versus NoSQL. Hope you will understand. Thank you. Keep learning.